how to log into your Google Fi account on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are logged out of your old device on your Google Fi, right? So after making sure that, you can simply open your Google Fi on your new device, make sure that it is installed on your phone, then you can tap on Get Started. And after tapping on Get Started, here you can actually select which account you want to log in, right? So here you will be able to find all of your available Google account. You can simply tap on this arrow right here, and then you can now select which exact Google ID you want which exact Google ID you want to get logged in. Then you can simply select it, and after selecting that option, it's simply you can tap on that particular continue as that particular ID, right? So after tapping on continue as that particular ID, you can actually simply get logged into your account, and that is exactly how you'll be able to log into your Google Fi account on your device. So like I said, if you have already created your account or set up your account previously, you will simply be logged in. All you need to do is simply select your ID, and sometimes there might also be the requirement of verification, so they might ask you for the account password, or else you'll simply be logged into your account. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.